We're here at Cows Week just to sort of get some racing in. The calendar is quite light during this part of the year, and we're doing a lot of two-boat stuff, which we just want to check into with our fleet racing and our racecraft this week, and just in preparation before we go out to Rio. It is a refreshing change. You know, you're not doing normal windward leewards as such. Like you said, we are sort of sailing reaches, and we're actually sailing without kite, which we wouldn't ordinarily do at the Paralympics. But so the same sort of process is going on the boat. You know, comms, looking at the starting, looking at the trims, and just sort of having a bit of fun really, while trying to put ourselves under a little bit of pressure. We put ourselves into high standards, and we want to be trying to deliver. Well, we want to deliver every time we go out on the water. I know, and that branding means something. We're part of the British sailing team, and that comes with a bit of weight of expectation, but pretty much on ourselves. So it's about delivering on what we can achieve, and because you can't control the other boats at the end of the day. So yeah, I mean, we're really honoured to be flying that flag for Britain here at Cows Week.